We went to a 2 o'clock Reza Edge of Illusion magic show. It was amazing. We absolutely loved it. He talked about how he started this dream at 6 years old after going to a magic show, and his mother took him to every magic show that she could afford to. And here he is today. Then we had reservations for the Paula Deen restaurant. Oh my goodness, it was so gorgeous, bright, and beautiful. We decided on the Georgia. We got 4 main choices. So we chose pot roast, the Georgia fried catfish, the spare ribs, and the meatloaf. It was all so good. Then we had yams, and we had fried okra, we had the broccoli casserole, and we had one more thing. I thought Papa looked so handsome, so I made him pose for a picture. These rolls, y'all, they're like a biscuit and a roll combined, herby and cheesy. So yummy. This roll looks so good. I was expecting it this Oh my gosh. This is like Red Lobster roll on steroids. So good. My first plate. Yum yum. What's your favorite so far, Papa?
The catfish is really good.
It is good.
Pot roast. Haven't tried the ribs yet.
Yes. Catfish is good. I normally only like my dad's fried fish, but this is really delicious. Those ribs right there, they just fall right off the bone. Yum, yum. Second serving of this pot roast. It is so yummy, y'all. I wish I knew the secret. I think we did a pretty good job, and we got refills of spare ribs and pot roast. I'm so full. The whole time I was walking, I could like feel my stomach. You know how you just feel your stomach is there? That's how full I was.
I feel like one of them competition eaters at this point. Yeah, I'm full.
You said your belly was expanding.
It feels like a balloon that's blown up.
I also got some stuff. Look here. Butter, y'all. I love to make homemade biscuits. And I got a biscuit cutter. It says, hey, y'all. And I got something else. Oh, remember that flour I said I liked? I kind of have this rule. If I keep thinking about something, I just get it. I mean, it's not exciting, really, but it's just so sweet. And I can just see it sitting there somewhere and just looking so sweet and pretty. Later, after getting back to the campground, we enjoyed this salted caramel ooey gooey cake, and it was delicious, y'all. Thanks for joining Mazes on the Move. Like and subscribe.